check-in, please?
Certainly. May I know if you have made a reservation in advance?
Yes, I have it under the name Chitra.
Alright, Mrs. Chitra. For data verification, may I have your ID card and reservation confirmation, please?
Of course. Here you my ID card and the reservation confirmation.
Thank you, Mrs. Chitra. Please wait a moment while I check your reservation details. Alright, Mrs. Chitra. Your reservation has been found. You have booked a deluxe room for one night with check-in today and check-out tomorrow for one guest. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Very well. For the deluxe room, the facilities include breakfast, free Wi-Fi access, mineral water, and access to the hotel's public facilities.
Alright, thank you for the information.
Do you have any special requests during your stay?
If possible, I would like a non-smoking room.
Certainly, Mrs. Chitra. We have prepared a non-smoking room for you. Next, to complete the check-in process, please fill out the guest registration form.
Alright.
Thank you, Mrs. Chitra. As information, the check-out time is at 12 p.m. Any late checkout will be subject to an additional charge according to hotel policy.
Alright.
Breakfast is served from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. at the restaurant on the first floor. If you need any service such as laundry or room service, please contact the receptionist via the telephone in your room.
Alright.
This is your room key card. For room is 203.
Okay, thank you very much.
Wait, located on the second floor, the elevator is available on the right your side of the lobby.
Okay.
Is there anything else I can assist you with before you go to your room?
No, that's all.
Alright, Mrs. Chitra. Enjoy your stay at Hotel Wenpe. We hope you have a pleasant experience with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, welcome to UNP Hotel. How might I help you?
Good morning. I will take a please.
Currently, may I have your name and room number, please?
The name is Karisa, room 203.
Thank you, Miss Karisa. Your total bill is 750,000 rupiah. For one night, how would you like to make the payment, cash or non-cash? Cash, please. Alright, the payment has been received paid in full. Here is your receipt. Please keep it.
Thank you.
Thank you for staying at Hotel UNP. We hope you had pleased stay and have a safe journey. We look forward to welcome you again.
Thank you.